So I want to preface how important key levels are when you're taking turtle soup trades. Because look, when it comes to turtle soup and ranges, the market literally moves in ranges. That's how the market moves on every time frame. It's fractal. It either breaks a range and continues, or it attacks one end of a range, comes back inside, heading to the other direction. So how do you know which turtle soups of a range are the ones that you actually trust? Well, that comes down to key level and of course time. But for this educational little snippet, we're talking about key level. Now, for your own sanity, please only be using key levels on the daily and weekly and sometimes the 4 hour if it is 100% so clean. But for the most part, daily, weekly, monthly key levels for your own sanity, guys. Trust me. So here we can see an example, bullish order flow. We're still expecting bullish. This candle takes this liquidity down here, and on a higher time frame, I'm sure that's some sort of BISI. Breaks back above. This is a model 1. This whole candle is a model 1. So a soup within this candle you can trust. And then we can also go, after we say that this is a valid turtle soup, this is also the order block heading back towards. So there should be a turtle soup within this candle once we come back and tap into this daily order block here. If we move down to that first key level, what do we see? We see a turtle soup occurring within this key level, with the bodies pretty much respecting the opening price of that wick high on the daily time frame. So that turtle soup you can trust, as well as a higher time frame turtle soup of all of this liquidity here coming up into here. What can we see when price on the daily chart came back in and tapped into that daily order block? Turtle soup. And that is the turtle soup that you can actually trust in the market. It must have a key level. If there's no key level there, any range turtle soup like this, you might get a little bit of a move, but you ain't getting that full move. It's coming back to wreck you. Now, this is why the key level is very important when you're taking turtle soups. All aspects of my 4-step process of how to read these markets and how to take trades is important. You must have all 4 before you can trust any trade, because at the end of the day, all you need in trading, if you can just get 1 to 2 trades per week with a 1 to 3 RR, that's all you need. And for people that don't think that's enough, are you making money doing what you're doing now? No. And I can guarantee you're taking more than 2 trades in the whole week. I guarantee you're taking more. I take more sometimes, but sometimes I don't. And sometimes I stick to 1 to 2 because those are the only setups I actually see that are valid. Trust me, like, profitable trading is not trading more like my intuition is just crazy and I can see the market just way better. No, it's just that I'm taking the setups that are clean as fuck. You cannot tell me there hasn't been a million times that you've traded Monday, Tuesday, all trash, all losses, and then Wednesday there's just a beautiful setup right there for you to take. But now, instead of making money on the week, you're just trying to make back losses that you've already lost on shit setups days prior. Lock in, boys.